Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. I am Food by Faith Garden to Table. I am Shaka Faith Thompson, your Georgia newly Zone 8B gardener. As the zones have changed, we finally have changed from 8A to 8B. It absolutely means nothing to my growth habits and my growth patterns, but I have to let you know that my zone has changed. But I'm coming to you today because I was on Miss Linda, the New Orleans Gardeners live last night and listening in, and we've all been trying to make the community aware of bioengineered foods, and they are becoming a really big thing. Last year, they were introducing these seeds to us of this really deep, rich purple tomato that was bioengineered. Which means fake. I was talking to a professor over at Augusta Tech, Leah Bryant, and she was telling me about a fake cypress tree. It was engineered, even though this tree is many, many decades old, it still was created. It did not grow in nature naturally. So when I was in the store today and I was just looking around, picking up different things for fall, getting ideas for my Thanksgiving table and all the things that I'm going to do this year, and I ran across the Empress tomato. I was like, wow. To talk about something and then to actually see it in person is totally different. They are small little cherry tomato like products, and when you read up on them, they have fancy packaging, and it says that you have found a very special tomato, the Empress tomato. It is a nutritionally dense food, supports wellness centric eating, adds verve and impact to your plate, developed by scientists, bioengineered for health and nutrition, and it's grown by Red Sun Farms. So just understand that two sentences or two bullet points in there that I have read that are very important to you. And one was developed by scientists, and the other was bioengineered. So just know that no matter what type of tomato you grow in your garden, it's going to be better than this one. Do not allow the fancy packaging, do not allow the fancy wording to get you. Remember, homegrown is best. And if you can't grow it, there is a local farm. I have to drive at least 30 minutes, and I can go to the Amish and Mennonites and get different things that I need. And I know that they do not have preservatives in them. They're not bioengineered or developed by scientists. I'm also going to plug a picture in because I want you to actually see the packaging in the store, and where other items tell you where it's grown, this packaging says patent pended by. So just be mindful of that, family, and spread the word.